Hello, installers. Welcome to GreenForce, where solar meets efficiency. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the simple steps to get registered as an installer on the GreenForce application. Let's dive in. Firstly, open the GreenForce application on your device. If you don't have it yet, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play. Upon launching, you'll land on our welcoming screen. Here, you'll find options tailored to your role. As an installer, go ahead and select Installer to begin your registration journey. Now, you'll be directed to the Welcome Onboard registration form. Here, provide essential details such as your name, company name, address, email ID, mobile number, and don't forget to upload a picture of your license. You can either snap a photo or choose one from your device gallery. Enter your tax ID to ensure a smooth registration process. Once done, hit Next to proceed. Next up, upload your profile picture. Capture a new one or select an existing photo from your device. Click Next to move forward. Now, it's time to fill in your bank details. Enter your routing number, account number, and select your bank from the options provided. This ensures a secure and streamlined payment process for your services. Tap Register when you're ready, and there you have it. You're now registered as an installer on GreenForce.